Going on my afternoon walk. It's an overcast day, so it's not too hot. Most of the time I do it in the evening. Hope you enjoy. They already harvested the rice. Getting a new shortcut. Might rain today, but even when it rains, it's still hot. Mango season. Mangoes all over that tree. I'm sure you can't see it. You guys work on bikes?
Yeah.
I'll bring my motorcycle here when I need.
Yeah.
Will you put the rack on the back?
What?
You'll put racks on the back?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you guys. This is one of my favorite food courts. I did videos on that. Opens up in the evening, great barbecue. Karaoke right here. They got some Mexican food that's not too bad. It's kind of Filipino style Mexican food. But a good place to hang out in the evening. It's an electric cart store. Street vendor area. That's our style broom here. These brooms work better than the ones in America. If you could tell, all these signs, it is voting week on next Monday, May 12th. Get fresh coconuts right here, straight from the coconut juice. This is your typical automotive shop. Most of them are out in the air. Here's some of your food you can get. This little place right here. Little store. This place is where where my buddy won my motorcycle that I bought off him. It's a good place. That place is tasty. It's chicken and lechon, which is pork belly. Where you get your water. Hardware store. Oh, if you want a job, they have job opening. Everything in the Philippines is made out of this right here. It's hollow blocks. The rebar, everything. No wood, floor to ceiling. Cement and hollow block. If you want somebody to vote for, here you go. If you want some hair extensions, there you go. Motorcycle shops everywhere. And rice. Okay, gas in the Philippines, this is a good gas station, kind of like a Chevron in America. And this is your prices today. That's per liter. It's a little farm here. I don't know what they're growing out there. But that's rice. Big mango tree right there. More election stuff. It's a new hypermart grocery store. And there's a new gym down here that I'm going to join so I don't get old fast. Okay, earlier you heard me talking about the hollow block construction. So this is a perfect example. They have they build up this and pour this, the frame, and then they hollow block in between. So you can see that goes all the way up, rebar, and then foundation, and so they got the foundation down there. So it'd be like a floating slab in there, and then they build it on and you'll see their footings down at the bottom. And that's pretty much how it's done here. Even though I think a straight pour is faster, but this is how they do it right now. I'm going to right here. It's a very nice gym, brand new. This is National Irrigation Road for a reason. Here's the sewer, but they're putting a top on it. So they've been redoing it for the last year. When it's done, it looks like this. More farming. Still don't know what this stuff is. Some of it's peppers, like right there. Like right here is peppers. I don't know what the rest are. Onions way on the back side. Pretty much where there's open land, it's all farming. Before all this stuff was built, Jen told me this is all farmland. I think that's papaya, wild papaya tree. Bigger peppers. So you can see right there, that's a giant mango tree. I don't know if you can see any mangoes on it. They get ripe up there. They eat green ones and then the ripe yellow ones. They take the green ones and they put like this fish paste called bagaon on it, or shrimp paste. shrimp mixed with the green mango. It's like a sweet and sour. There's another view of it. This is a wild banana tree. The bananas off the tree here are just so much better than the bananas in the States, the way they taste. Tastes so good. The vegetables and fruit here, period, are better than the ones in the States. This mango tree is loaded. Wow. Want some cars for sale? How about this little mini guy? Mazda's miniature Mazda toaster. I call it a toaster car. You can make deliveries in this little Suzuki. Dude, this thing's like 7.5 feet long. If you want to buy it, here you go. Perfect working truck right there. Suzuki, and a mini Mazda. More mangoes and bananas, but there's no bananas. They're building a shortcut right here to get over to the neighborhood. Over here we got, looks like banana trees and papaya trees. Check out the old school fencing. Whatever it takes. Papayas. Oh, if you look closely right there, there's some bananas. And more mangoes. Mangoes everywhere. Right here is for the roosters. And those roosters are for rooster WWE. Rooster wrestling. I don't want to say the real word because YouTube doesn't like the real word, so I call it rooster wrestling. And over here is the main office for Jen's brother is the counselor there, so they're in charge of all the neighborhoods. That was a friend of mine that just waved. There's some traffic to get to. See if I don't kill myself. I'm home. Hey, what's up, brother?
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
All right. Good, no sun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kuya. Get to work. What's up, brother? Just having my walk.
Oh, what's that?
My
You're
YouTube.
me again.
Yeah, say hi.
Say hi.
This is my local neighborhood right down about 100 yards from my place. Local basketball court. Kind of what it looks like. Nice little place. And in the back there's a swimming pool. And a little playground over here for the kids. Here's a better look at the basketball court. If you want to vote for some good people, there you go. Got to bring your own chairs, but good, nice basketball court. Pretty much in all the neighborhoods, or as we say here, barangays, they got a basketball court and a basketball team. So, playground for the kids. Pretty much crowded at night because the kids in the Philippines still play outside. They do video games too, but mainly play outside. All right, that's about it. Almost home. Thanks for walking with me today. Hope you have a good day, night, morning, wherever you're at. I'm out.